Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on YouTube notifications. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you have YouTube opened on your iPhone or Android, let's close out of it first and make sure the notifications are turned on your phone. So let's open up the Settings app on your phone, and you'll be able to see as you scroll down, let's choose Notifications. This will house all of your notifications, including for all of the apps as well as YouTube. We can turn it on here, but then we need to also turn it on in the YouTube app. So let's scroll down to the bottom here until we find YouTube and tap on it and make sure this is turned on. Make sure everything is toggled on, lock screen, notification center, banners, in addition to sounds, etc. However, this doesn't mean that notifications are enabled because now we need to make sure YouTube has them enabled too. So let's hop out of here and open up the YouTube app. We'll tap on You and then the gear icon. After we're in here, these are the settings for your YouTube account. Keep in mind, make sure you're logged into the correct account because if you're on a different account, it won't necessarily apply for every account. So let's go to notifications here, and you can see it says scheduled digest, your subscriptions, essentially any channel that you're subscribed to, activity on my channel, activity on my comments, etc., mentions, all of that stuff. You can choose what to turn on here, recommended videos, etc. Turn on whatever you feel like turning on, and you'll get notified for those specific instances on your iPhone or Android. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.